Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a Makeup Monday video. So today's video is the start of a new project pan. It is the Partners in Cream project pan. Now I watched quite a few of the ladies that I follow on YouTube do this last year and I was like, I really need to do that. I really need to do that, and I have a few products that I could throw into a project like that. Because like I really need to work on my cream products. So here I am this year joining in. I'm so glad that they've brought it back for a second year. By the way, rocking a red lip. Yeah, go me. Never thought I would. The year 2021 is the year where I am going to try and wear red lipstick at least once a month. At least once a month. So January, done. Anyway, this Partners in Cream project pan was created by Delyn and Steph here on YouTube. I will link their information for you down below. Quite a few ladies have joined in again this year, so I will leave some of their videos for you as well. I'll try and link as many of them as I possibly can for you so you can have a look and see what other people are doing as well. Now I believe that this is a year-long project, and the number of items you're supposed to choose is anywhere between 3 and 6 products. But it is a rolling project pan, so you can constantly keep rolling things in. I've gone for about, well, a few more than that. I was pulling things out, and then after I'd watched a couple of people's videos and they said like 3 to 6 products, I was like, yeah, no, I have a few more than that. So I put a few things back. And then what I'm left with is really what I want to really like get going on, because I feel like some of these are going to take a lot longer than just a few months to pan. And I really do feel like I need the whole year to get started on some of these products. So it's the first month and it's my first time doing it and I'm already breaking the rules. Sorry! Okay, so let's get in with the products basically. So the first 2 items are like skincare, hair care kind of thing. So the first item I want to put in is this. It is my Avon Nourishing Hair Serum with Moroccan Argan Oil. So we are down to here. It was previously in a project pan and I used all of that. And since the project pan stopped and I got to there, I have continued to use it. And I'm down to here now. So I only use 1 pump of this at a time every time I wash my hair. My hair is very dry, very thin, very fine. So all the nourishment that I can give it, the better. So yeah, I just want to completely use all of this up. I think I have another one of these. I can't remember if I do or if I got rid of it. I can't remember. But that was the main reason why I started to project pan it, was because I had 2 of them. So I don't know if that's still the case. I'll have to dig through all my skincare and stuff. But yeah, I just want to use all of this up. Please do I apologise for my wheezing a little bit or out of breath slightly. Struggling a little bit at the moment with my asthma, so do bear with me. The next item I have is another Avon product, and this is their Nutra Effects Deep Nourishment with Almond Seed Daily Body Lotion. So it is like that. It is, from where I can see the product, it's about there in the tube. I will mark it. And this is for dry to very dry skin. Again, completely me. I have severely dry skin, especially in the winter with our central heating on. It really tends to dry out my skin. This is a very wet formula, so I should imagine it will go pretty quickly because it soaks in really quickly as well. So yeah, I want to use all of that up. I recently had this product in my 3 of a kind project, which is not a project pan so much as a project use once and then put it back in my collection kind of project. And that is my Sleek Stonework palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and it has some powder products in here which are obviously not part of the project, but it has 2 cream eyeshadows. So it has a blue base and a pink base, and the idea is that you use these 2 cream bases to apply onto the eye, and then you go over the top with one of the powders to create a look. And I, like many people, don't like the idea of combining cream eyeshadows in the same palette as my powder eyeshadows because of contamination and gunk and stuff. So my hope is to try and use these 2 bases with this palette or with other eyeshadows on top. I can play around with other eyeshadows on top of these as well, but just get these 2 eyeshadows used up into this palette, and yeah, get them used up and out of this palette. So that's my aim for this. So you could call that 2 items, but I'm just calling it 1 because it's in 1 palette. So yeah. The next item is also like an eye base product, and that is one of my Maybelline colour tattoos. This is in permanent taupe. This has been in numerous project pans in the past, and it is almost nearly gone. You can see I have hit pan at the bottom there, and I don't believe that there is that much product in here. I like to use my cream eyeshadows as bases for my eye looks. So I have a blue base, I have a pink base, and now I'll have a brown base. So whatever eye look I'm creating, I have a cream eyeshadow base to use. So yeah, every time I do like a brownish eye look, I can use this one. I love my Maybelline colour tattoos, I really do, but I do need to start using them up because I have had them for many, many years. And next door have decided to start drilling. I do apologise, because this camera is awesome and picks up every little noise in the background of my videos now. Just love my neighbours. Moving quickly on, another eyeshadow is my Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in Birthday Wish. I do apologise. So this is what it looks like already. It does already have pan, as most of my Colourpop Super Shock shadows do. Wow, that's a mouthful. But I just want to get more use out of it. These are really hard. These are really easy to hit pan on, so hitting pan was never really the objective, but to actually use some of this up would be great. Last year I used up half of my Issa Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow. Wow. So this year it's this one's turn, and this is in Birthday Wish. It was as part of their 5th birthday anniversary thing. So yeah, just want to get some more of that used up. I don't think I'll use it all up, but I just want to make it look like it's been used more. The next item is an eyeliner, and I really need to work on my eyeliners this year because I have far too many. So this one is the Maybelline Colossal Cajal in turquoise. It is a gorgeous colour. And I have that much of it, and I'm just hoping that this is going to give a beautiful pop of turquoise blue on my eye looks that I really love to have. So I would like to use all of this up if I possibly can, but knowing the way that I go through eyeliners, it'll probably still be here in 2022, hence why I have all of these products in now. The next item is another Colourpop item, and it is one of their lippy sticks. This one is in the shade Little Tings, and I have already used quite a bit of this. So it is the one that I've used the most of in my collection. So I figure I might as well carry on and finish this. It is a stunning colour, really, really pretty. So it looks like that. So yeah, I want to go ahead and finish this. And the last item, or items, because there's multiple of these, I kind of want to put in now. And you might think these are kind of gimme products, but for me, these have been in my collection since I bought them on my honeymoon in 2017. So I've had them for 3 years. Well, yeah, 3.5 years. So it's time they got used, and they are my Sephora masks. So I got a pack of these, and yeah, I haven't used them in 3 years. That's why they're not really a gimme product for me. So I have a rose lip mask, a green tea eye mask, a aloe vera hand mask, a lavender foot mask, and a coconut hair sleeping mask. So this is an overnight hair mask sort of thing. So I want to use all of these up because, like, as I say, they've been in my collection for 3 years, and I really, really, really need to use them up because I bought them on holiday because there was a Sephora in France where we went, in Marseille. And I was so excited. I had to buy something in there. And I bought this, and I bought a palette, and I use the palette quite frequently. I often take it on holiday with me when we can go on holiday. So yeah, I need to use these. I haven't used a single one. This is everything that came in that pack. I haven't used a single thing from it. So yes, need to put them in. And you might think they were gimme products, but in my life and in my collection, masks, they'll be here. They'll be here for a long time. So that is it. That is everything in my Partners in Cream. I am so happy to be taking part in this project this year. I had so much fun watching everybody's videos last year, and yeah, I can't wait to take part this year. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.